All right, so here I am. Yes or no? Yeah, I'm live. All right, so live with break. 3778. So 37. I'll start with the Ekman Larson Spectrum. Answer was Zelda. So Michael had the good answer, and also Dave. So we're gonna run random. So first, second, third. And the winner of this card is Dave Sutherland. So congrats, Dave. You've won the Oliver Ekman Larson Spectrum number 50. There it is. And now with the mini. So on top we'll get Calgary, Columbus, Islanders, Ottawa, Washington. 5 teams. So on top Gabriel. Last is Kyle. Gabriel on top, Kyle last. So first, second, third. And we've got on spot number 5, Kyle Craren. So Kyle, lucky lately. You've got Calgary, Columbus, Islanders, and the Ottawa Senators. So and the Washington Capitals too. So 5 teams. I'll update the list after the break because I'm gonna run the break right now. Switch the camera side. Actually, it's working. Perfect. So let's do this. Good luck, everybody. What do we have? Box number 68 and 16. Here we go. And that is box number 3 and 4. It's Kyle who won the meeting. All right, first fact. So we start with an update for the Arizona Coyotes, Jamie Micken. Next, we got a silver skates for the Florida Panthers, Roberto Luongo. We got a authentic moment for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Austin Matthews. Next, we got an update for the Calgary Flames, Alex Chiasson. We got a season highlight for Boston, Tuukka Rask. Young Guns for the Anaheim Ducks, Joseph Camarosa. Pack 7, we got the authentic moment for the Chicago Blackhawks, Marian Hossa. Next, we got an update for the New York Rangers, Brandon Peary. Silver skates for the New York Rangers, Jimmy Vesey. Next, we got authentic moment for the Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. Update for the Dallas Stars, Lori Kopikowski. Update for Dallas. Pack number 12. We got a silver skate for the New York Islanders, John Tavares. 6 packs left of the storage box. We got an authentic moment for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. Update for the Carolina Hurricanes, Victor Stalberg. Spectrum for the Chicago Blackhawks, Artemi Panarin. Next, we got a Future Watch number to 999 for the Winnipeg Jets, Kyle Connor. Kyle Connor, Future Watch for the Jets is our first hit. Nice one for Winnipeg. 2 packs left. We've got a Future Watch autograph number to 999, Minnesota Wild. Mike Riley. And the last pack of the first box, we've got a Spectrum Future Watch level 2 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Tyler Moe. So, that was our first box. Box number 2. First bag. Alright, so starting with the Future Watch Map Auto for the Vancouver Canucks. Troy Stecher. Troy Stecher out of 999 for the Vancouver Canucks. And we also have the authentic moment for the Montreal Canadiens. PK Subban. Next, we got an update for Chicago, Brian Campbell. Campbell for Chicago. Next, we got a silver skates for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Zach Werenski. Hey, Mike. We need a big Austin Matthews now. Young Guns for the Colorado Avalanche, AJ Greer. AJ Greer, Young Guns for Colorado. Next, we got Atlantic Moment for Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick King. Update for the Vancouver Canucks, Marcus Granlund. Atlantic Moment for the Edmonton Oilers, Wayne Gretzky. Update for the Florida Panthers, Colton Savior. Silver skates for the Detroit Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg. Silver skates for the Calgary Flames, Matthew Tkachuk. Next, we've got Atlantic Moment for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Mitch Marner. The Chicago, we'll see. Next, we've got a Spectrum for the Detroit Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg. Didn't get an autograph for Chicago yet. We got Atlantic Moment for the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. 5 packs left. We've got an update for Boston, Tim Scherr. 4 packs left. We've got a silver skate for the Carolina Hurricanes, Sebastian Aho. Our first Future Watch will go autograph to the Minnesota Wild, Joel Eriksson. So second Future Watch autograph for Minnesota, is a cheap team. So good thing for Minnesota. Last 2 packs. We got a sign of the times for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Matt Murray. Matt Murray, sign of the times for Pittsburgh. And last pack of SP Atlantic. Got a Spectrum Future Watch level 2 for the New York Islanders, Anthony Beauvillier. So that was SP Atlantic. Now let's see Splendor now. Here we go. We got a Splendid Signatures, number 15. And this one will go to the Toronto Maple Leafs, Wendell Clark. So Splendid Signatures, number 15 of Wendell Clark for the Toronto Maple Leafs. So that was break 3778. We got 4 boxes left in this SP Authentic Inner. So we're gonna post part 3 and 4 tomorrow. And yep. Thanks guys. We are done for the night. See you tomorrow.